welcome to the garden, everybody. Yes, oh, there's so many jobs to do. So yes, hello everyone. We've got Daisy there. She's going straight to her seat to sit there. Yes, today I'm trying to, because I know I've got this kind of habit of doing it, and this is one of the things. I leave things and they're like left for bloody months. So there's certain jobs I'm just going to kind of try and crack on today and get done, because the more I just leave it, the more it's kind of part of fixtures and fittings. So I've done all my jobs. I just put Daisy's lead there. I've done all my jobs in the house. Yeah, took the dogs. Hello, girl. Hello. Say hello. Hello, yeah. So today's just, look at there. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I didn't take that bloody, what you call it? You know, the radish. Oh, just have a little quick hello in there. I noticed the idea came from in here, because felt and beds and just left. It's just not on. And that felt, the new felt. So this felt that's on that path there has been there for about 3 months. But I'll tell you what I'm going to tackle as well, is take some of this. You know how I'm doing the little dance? I'm going to do a little dance with this. I'm going to pour in some of that into there. Not much, but just enough so I can mix it for this to start that process. Now, this is a first, or I haven't been for a while. Another one is I want to try and fill up some bags ready for the tip. The tip, it's not my day-to-day to go down, because we'll do that as a trip. We'll go down to the thing, but that's what I'm looking for. A bloody fork, haven't I? What's one of them for a no-dig gardener? So yes, let's see if I can crack on over there. You're getting a bit of sun, lass. You're getting a bit of... She's a naughty girl today. She did. She bit Douglas and bloody made him bleed. He got the ball first. Yes, you've got to learn to play fair, Daisy. Actually, before I start, I promised me mum would get rid of this thing. This is all Tony there, but thugs in the garden. Thugs in the garden. Let's see if I can just pull it out. Look at that. That's not done much good, but... Oh. I mean, it'll be all... The roots will be right. There it is. Look at it, see it? How far does it... Oh, come on, come on. That wasn't that bad, to be honest. It was a bit more, but yeah, for me mum. Actually, with that, it's a bugger, like, but they're good for the. Anyway, that's his mother. That's it. It's done for you. There you go. So, if you don't know, the plan is to mix both these together, but it'll just take a little bit of time, I guess, but let's get in there, chunky. We old stiff old bugger here. Right. Look at that, man. Oh, it's good stuff, man. That's bloody... You know, I've just dug up 2 potatoes. There must have been a potato in there that's like a volunteer. Oh, I can feel a bit of stone or something. It's actually quite a big one. Oh, it's probably the... You know, the edging, the wall, actually. Because I don't think I'd... No, it's... Oh, there's another potato. They're better than the ones that I grew. I've just had a big bowl of Allotment as well. Oh, some nice worms in there. Eee, come on, lad. Yeah, I'm stiff. Getting old. You see, I'm just mixing this up. Can you see? Oh, you can, man. Just getting in with a fork and giving it a good... Oh. Good old turn. I think that's enough for one day, just little and often, that's what they say. So I've mixed that all in there, and you can actually see the old wall starting to come through as well. So I'll just keep on getting the last of the dregs out of there, stuff it in there, and then mix that top bit in with it. I think that'll do for me. They're a good tool, these. I've never used one before. Now listen, do subscribe there. Yes, it's free. All you get notified that when videos come out. Hit the thumbs up and I'll get 10 years good gardening. Look, we all need that. Do you think it's about time I picked me Allotment beans? Yeah, it's well and truly dried, I think. They were a gorgeous colour a couple of weeks ago, but now they're perfect for just getting off the... And again, I'm just leaving the roots in, not even taking them out, they'll just put all that nitrogen back into the... There we go. I'll take them just to the hut. I'm just going to leave them like that because there's still a few... There's a good one, like leathery ones, but I've got a feeling there'll be a lot of Allotment beans growing in these beds next year. There was loads of you just trying to catch the seeds and they're away. I think what I'm going to do is take this netting off. See, there's more. Take it off. Strawberry netting and put it on next year. I'm not 100% sure what to do with strawberries. Do you know what I mean? I'm not taking cuttings. You know, like I'm not doing that. The intention is to just there. I'm not. Look, I've got loads there as well. I'm just going to let these ones come. I think I'll just leave them, to be honest. Do I thin them out? I don't know, but we'll see. Oh, dears. I'll definitely take this netting off and put it away. See, there's still beans there. Get it off. Come on. I think I'm just going to bag it and worry about it next year. When I say bag it, I basically mean I just put it in here, put it in this old water butt for the time being. Hey, out of sight, out of mind. Get them in. That's stored for the winter. I tell you what, I did notice, mind you, when I was cutting out the potato bins, I didn't pick up my bloody plastic. So this is another job. So this year or next year, I'm trying the bins with bigger holes, some of them. See if I can do it. Some bulbs coming there as well. She likes that sun today. She's nearly nodding off there. Right, these rolls of felt. I mean, I kind of need to keep them, but I don't want to see them. Do you know what I mean? So we're going somewhere where you don't often see the other side of the polytunnel. Come on. Oh, it's not, it's nasty. Oh, this really is out of sight, out of mind. I've got some old canes there. Put that down there. And I'll get the hatchak. I'll go in this way. Yeah, remember, like digging the trench out and that. Yeah, I know, there's not that much left of this one, but you just never know. You know what I mean? And I know that's a cliche for a you never know when that would come in handy. But I really need to kind of get into that hut. But there's so much that you want to keep. And I don't know if I just put it off. I should just put it off for a day or two. What I did notice, mind you, when I came in for the felt just then was, look at, you can see, I just put it down there. There's a cutworm daisy off, man, off. Can you see? So maybe the BT's working. That right, lass? Yes. I'm just looking at it and I think, you know what? It's another day. I'm going to tackle it. I've thought about it though. And I'm going to tackle it in different sections. Section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. That's how it's getting tackled, but it ain't getting tackled today. Not alright, lass, eh? We've done enough. Right, look after yourselves, take good care.